I was gifted this rolling knife sharpening kit and I'm really excited to tell you about it. I had to show you the box because it's so nice and such high quality. It's just a really beautiful packaging, but what's inside is even better, especially if you are looking to give some new life to some old knives. So inside it's got multiple parts. First of all, you've got your magnetic block, and this is awesome because your knives are just going to stick to it perfectly. Whether you want your knife to be like super straight or if you want it to be more on an angle, then you have full control of that with that dial. And it is really simple to adjust that. You're just gonna pull up and then you're just gonna turn it to whatever angle that you want. This is the rolling sharpener device and it has bearings on it that actually spin. Can you see the spinning there? There we go. That shows it's got two different ends. So you've got a 400 grit on this end, and it tells you that right here, and then 1,000 grit on this end. And it also gives you a replacement for the 400 grit, which is gonna be great for just having this last a really long time and sharpen a lot of knives for you. So we're gonna set this up here so you can see well. So we're gonna use one of my bigger knives, and we just put this here on the magnet. I mean, look how huge this knife is, and this magnet is this strong. So we are just gonna put that there, and then what you do is with this has actually a lid on it, just so you know, just roll along the edge, and that's gonna really sharpen it up. And I'm gonna do this to smooth it with the stainless steel side. You can hear how it is just taking the rough edges off of that and really sharpening it up. And then we're gonna turn it around and do the other side. We're gonna do the same thing on both sides. So you can see there, the marks there from the bearing. So we're gonna do it on this side. You can do this for several minutes. I'm not gonna do that to keep this review short enough, but this is the gist of it. Oops, I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. And that just really takes the dull edges off, and it is really gonna create a super sharp knife for me. So I am going to go wash this off, and then I'm gonna cut something for you. Okay, so we've got an apple, and I'm gonna show you how well it's just gonna slice right through this apple. Just so easy. Also, celery. Sometimes celery is one of those things that as you cut it, it has strings, and look at this. So sharp. It just cuts right through. I am super, super impressed. I give this a 10 out of 10 stars, highly recommend.